Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the more and less commands. They each allow you to browse the content of text files. For example, to look through the words file, you might use a command like this, more words. You can see there's a bunch of words. Hit the space bar and we get the next screen full of words, and Q when we are finished watching for all these words. The less command allows you to browse file content as well, but it also allows you to move backwards and forwards in the display. Yeah, it's called less, but it actually does more than more. You would use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move up and back down. So let's go ahead, clear the screen, and then look at the words file with less. So we can go down, or we can hit the up arrow key and go back up. And then again, Q when you're ready to quit. Now you could also pipe the output from other commands to the more or less commands to view it a screenful at a time, and with less, again, you can go up and down. So let's go ahead and look at a process listing and pipe that to less. So we can see there's a bunch of our processes. Hit spacebar, then I'm going to hit the up arrow key to go back up, and there's the top of the display there, and Q to quit. Well, that's your Linux tip for the more and less commands. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.